Like, comment, and subscribe to Mythic Machines.
I'm Cody and Terry. We're going to be sandblasting out the floor pan using a little 20-pound sandblaster I have. We're going to try to be sandblasting out everything, the edges for the floor pan, so it'll be ready to cut out. So sandblast everything on top of the frames, see if there's any spot welds or anything that we can see where they're at. So you cut them out, so that's not an issue. Oh yeah. And always, if you're using a sandblaster, safety first. So, as you can see, sandblasting it takes out all the rust and everything. Some spots are spot weld like right here. A little circle dimple there. And I'm going to do the whole entire floor pan like that, so it's nice and clean. It'll be a whole lot easier to cut through the plasma cutter. There's these spot welds in it, like this here. So when the time comes, I just cut out all the spot welds, the spot weld cutter, and cut out everything else I need. Of course, need to clean off the seat risers and take those out. You see, removes rust, paint, everything. Only downside to a sandblaster is it makes mess. That has to be cleaned up afterwards. Hence the reason why I have the tarp up. Though that was mostly for the front. But I'll be back after that's all cleaned off and see you then. Another fucking train. As soon as I hit record, a fucking train comes by. Fuck you too, train. Fucking choo-choo somewhere else. Here we are, making some progress. But my tip broke, so I need to get a new one of those, and that kind of makes me run out of time for today. Therefore, next video I'll post, I'll probably have this all sandblasted, ready to come out, so and everything's ready. Next video should be taking the floor pan out and getting the new one in. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did,